Ruchi is India's largest food and agribusiness company. Our goal is to make sure that we participate in the agriculture growth of this country by doing processing, branding and exports. So our philosophy of farm to fork, that we buy the produce from the farmer, process them, either we are going to export at the best value to derive the foundation for the country and create value for the farmer and make the goods available to each and every good consumer. So this fully integrated business will reward to the Indian farmer. We all know that India is poised to have a great growth. In this general election, this is the first time after many years we have given a mandate to a single party. This was very much needed to have a good, stable and a committed government. Narendra Modi ji is a great leader, and I'm sure that his leadership will not be only for 5 years for which he has been mandated, but it will be for a decade. And agriculture growth will be possible by agriculture extension, getting good seeds to the farmer, giving good inputs and guidance. Ruchi is committed to participate in this segment. We have recently formed a joint venture with a Canadian research company to bring soybean seed indigenously through their technology to improve the yield of farmers from current 1 ton per hectare to almost 2.5 tons per hectare. We are also going to participate in terms of improving the infrastructure of agriculture. We are creating warehousing. We have to make sure the farmer gets the best price for the produce, and we want to participate actively with the government for the cause of increasing income to Indian farmers. Food security has been the major concern for our country. Today, we are self-sufficient in food and grains. Ruchi has taken the task of participating with the government to make sure that we also become self-sufficient in oilseed and pulses, where we are net importer. So this will be a major participation by the company, your organization, to be the part of the food security of the country. Every human being is born with the best capabilities, and if he is committed, if he believes in himself or herself, he can do anything he wishes to do. सुनहरा है इतिहास हमारा, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा। कण कण में यह दिखता ईश्वर, क्षण क्षण मिले आनंद का अवसर। नहीं भूले हैं, नहीं भूलेंगे अपनी आजादी को हम। चलो इस दुनिया को दिखाएं कितना है भारत में दम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।